So this is what I tried to do last week. It's a bit more of a stealthy type tarp, but I think there shouldn't be any snowfall tonight, so I don't need the shelter. For dinner I'm gonna have a chicken titty, and to balance out all that protein I'm gonna throw in some healthy avocado fats. So if we're gonna eat a hormone pump chicken, we might as well keep our own hormones in check. And then I made some bannock dough at home. So this is just flour, a little bit of sugar and baking powder. And I'm gonna top all that off with some cow's confetti. And barbecue sauce. There's a woodpecker right above me here. Pretty cool. I'm really full and I don't really feel like moving, but I'm out of wood. So I guess we're gonna grab a bit more wood. I gotta admit that the tarp setup is a little bit tighter than I anticipated it to be, but it is pretty cozy, so I think it should make do. I didn't bring my sleeping bag this time. I just have the wool blanket here, but I do have a sleeping pad and the isomat underneath, so I should be properly insulated from the ground. Just a little bit worried about the top. I'm not sure if this will be enough, so what I'll do is I'll just keep my overall on. I also made myself a hot water bottle, and yeah, then I'm gonna doze off, it should go down to -5 tonight Celsius. So it's pretty mild again. And I'm looking forward to some nice sleep. I'm pretty tired now. See you guys tomorrow. My boots are frozen. Oh, it's way colder than I expected it to be. I slept like shit. Like the last 2 hours, I was really cold, especially on my head. So I'm really, really tired now. But anyway, I'm gonna make some coffee, some breakfast, and then we'll pack up and head out of here. Maple syrup. More coffee.